Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
So originally when the society was organized, we had a laissez-faire state. A laissez-faire state was by and large a hands-off policy. It was more focusing on the external security alone. Nothing else. The state was not involved in regulating the human social life. But once the external security is guaranteed, obviously internal problems began to crop up. அதனால தான் பார்த்துக்கிறோம் அன்னைக்கே சொன்னேன். First department to be created is military department. Second, it became a police state. Police state was focusing on external security as well as internal security. இங்க தான் Ministry of Home வருது. And becomes a mother ministry from which all other ministries are divided, bifurcated and brought in. Right up. Right up. So after the police state became the revenue state. Per function increase ஆகுது. The more the functions, the more the number of people to be employed. The more the number of people to be employed, the more the number of money to be paid, amount of money to be paid as salary. Which means you have to collect tax. Which means you have to employ more people to collect tax. As a result, it became an administrative state, wherein the executive became too large, longer and heavier. A big democracy in சொல்லுவோம்ல ஆப்பிள் பை சொல்லுவார் இது மாதிரி. And this administrative state will be more oriented towards rules, legislations, right, and administrative system, right, administrative leg of the administrative leg of the the state really too longer, too stronger, too stout. This administrative state, because of too much of importance to rules and regulations, became a bureaucratic state. This is a deviation. Bureaucratic state is not an evolution, it is a deviation.